Guys, hello guys. We're gonna play the ice again. This is part 2. So, be prepared what is coming. We're gonna try to beat this game, to beat this level. Chapter 1 again. Oh my god. Okay guys, continue. Oh Okay. Ush. Bigla ako. Okay guys, we're back again. Sorry. Okay, wait lang guys. Okay guys, we're back. Oh my god, what the hell boy? Ano? Tara. Where's the... Oh my god, takot na ako agad. What the hell? What the hell? Bakit wala? Nasaan na ba yung multo? Nasa baba pa. Nasa baba pa yung multo. Boss ko, why not? Bahod. Awa ewe, ewe, ewe. Ewe, ewe, ewe. Ewe, ewe. Lang guys. Okay guys, we're back. Sorry for the cut. Nasa taas. Okay, nasa taas. Tara sa baba na po tayo. Baba. Sa baba. I just wanna keep you not miss me, baby, what you wanna to do. Cause I can treat you better than you can. I don't know where is the crusher. Okay, nasa baba pa rin po siya. Tandaan muna. Okay. The crusher. Opo, wait lang. Nasa baba pa. Nasa taas pa. Okay, napaikot na yata natin po. Dito po tayo punta. Habang dito muna po tayo tago muna, no? Hey, papa! What the hell? Pabanga. Dito lang. Hindi natin ito muna kasayangin. Wag mo muna po, baby boat. Okay guys, we're back to record again. Okay guys, nandiyan sa kabila. Nandito nga siya. Wait lang guys. Baby. Kapag ito na guys, tara na. Saan na siya? Okay, pataas na siya. Okay, kailangan natin siya talaga sa taas. Kailangan talaga natin po makapunta talaga sa taas, no? Kasi para makapag-escape, kailangan po natin mahanap yung sopa. So dito muna tayo, no? Bago pa siya bumaba. Wait lang. Sinayangan ko pa talaga yung ano ko. Yung eyeball. Pag nawala yan, means nasa ano na siya. Nasa baba. Bumba na. Po! Wait lang. Only one and missing hole. Only one. Ano yun? Ikaw magal. Lima lang. Ano po? 12 po.
12 isa?
Opo. 24, 26. Opo. Sorry guys, I AFK for too long because ay gagawin ko po kasi ako pinasamba pa. Guys, dito yata siya. Nasa baba, nasa baba, nasa baba. Okay, okay. Okay, nasa baba pa. Yes! Similar this place was supposed to be abandoned and now I'm seeing her. Why I can't shake the feeling that she keeps calling me, that she's still in the shadows. What should I do? Yes! Yes! Later. Yes! Oh my God! Buti na wala na-escape natin siya guys. Part 2. Oh. Oh my God bro. Oh my God. Okay guys, we finish it, so we might to go through it part 3 to ano to save some coins to unlock this guys. So we might play this another part again. So goodbye and see you to another next video. See you tomorrow and subscribe to me. Bye.